Some people have said I conquered the Colorado. I don't say so. It has never been conquered, and never will, I think. Anyone whom it allows to go through its canyons and see its wonders should feel thankful and privileged. Sometimes I feel sorry for the river. It works every second of the ages, carving away at the rocks, digging its canyons. It carries 1 million tons of silt a day. And again, I feel sorry for the mountains, with the river gnawing at their inside. But I guess my sympathy doesn't seem very important to either of them. The river probably thought, he's such a lonesome, ignorant, unimportant, and insignificant, pitiful little creature, with such a short time to live, that I will let him go this time and try to teach him something. It has been less kind to many prouder people than I. I know I've got more out of this trip by being alone than if I was with a party, as I have more time, especially at night, to listen and look and think and wonder about the grandeur that surrounds me, rather than listen to talk of war, politics, and football scores. Haldane Buzz Holmstrom, 1937.